So in this video, we're going to look at uploading our media files to the Radio Moet blog. So either in your groups, you'll be uploading your actual radio program, your 30-minute program, or as the individual projects, which is your digital audio project, which will be either a program promo or a public service announcement. You'll be uploading those. So this is the blog. It's at moettech.com/radio, and on it are a number of things. It's a WordPress blog, which is a fairly popular blogging system, but we'll look at first just how to log in and upload. So I'm going to use a test account, which is going to be fairly similar to what you'll see when you log in. And this is the kind of initial dashboard. There's a fair amount of information here about WordPress, and you really don't need to pay too much attention to some of the other things. The only things that we're going to need to do are first to add a new media file, and then add a new post where we'll attach that media file. So it's kind of a two-step process. So I'll click on Media, Add New, and I'll click on Select, and then I will upload my file. So mine's a program promo for the demo program I did, which has already been posted here, called Test Signal, and it uploaded fairly quickly. So if you're uploading your actual programs, those will be larger files. That will take a little bit longer. Actually, I think it's uploaded after that, so I don't need to save anything. If you want to give it a different title, though, you can do so, and I will call it, I'll just call it Program Promo Test Signal, and I'll click on Save All Changes. Okay, so here it is now. The one tricky thing that we have to do is we need the URL for this file. So so in this video we're going to look at how we're going to upload our media files to the blog. The blog that we have is based on WordPress. It's a open source blogging system, and it's got its own control panels and admin screens, and that's what you'll be using to actually create a post and upload a media file. So the blog is just off of it's called moettech.com/radio. So moettech, actually one T in moettech.com/radio, and this is the blog. It's kind of the public side of it, with all the postings and all the programs that are visible here. So you need to log in first to upload something, and you will have a username and password that I will give you. I'm using a test account that looks very similar to what your accounts will look like. There's a fair amount of information here about WordPress and other things. You don't need to worry too much about that. The only two things we'll really be looking at are post and media. And we'll be uploading the file first through media, then we'll be getting the link for that file, which is a bit of a two-step process. And we need that link so that when we create the post, we can include the link, and when we include the link, it triggers the blog to use a Flash player for people to be able to listen to it and as well download it. So we'll start by opening up the media window and clicking on Add New. I'm actually just going to do one thing quickly because I already uploaded the file I want to use, so I'm just going to delete it. So Media, Add New, and select File. Mine's a program promo for the demo program I did on the blog called Test Signal. So I can give it a title. I'll call it Program promo test signal, and I'd like you to use a similar naming structure. So if it's a PSA, a public service announcement, you can put PSA and then the PSA that it is. If it's a promo for your show, then program promo and the name of the show. And if it's your actual show, you can just put the name of the show and the name of the group members who are part of that. Okay, so save all changes. It's already been uploaded when I initially selected the file, and now I'm taken to the media library, and you can see all of the media files that are here. There's going to be more of these, but the only ones that you actually get a chance to do anything to are the ones that you've uploaded. The key though here is, and this is an important step to understand, is that we need the actual URL to the media file. So here's program promo test signal, which I just uploaded. Here is a link to view it. And if you look down here at the bar when I put the mouse over view, you'll see the URL that it's linked to. That's not the URL we want. That's not actually going to the media file. I'll click on it and you'll see what it is. It's actually a blog page which has a link to the media file. So now when I look at the mouse over this link, program promo test signal, you'll see down here that it's an actual link to something.mp3, to the file I just uploaded, promotestsignal.mp3. We need this link. So I'm going to copy that shortcut, right click and then copy shortcut. And then I'm going to go back into the admin screen and I'm going to add a new post. And before I do anything else, I'll go right down to the bottom. It's the podcasting files. I'll add a media file, and in the location I will paste that link I just copied. So here's a URL that goes directly to the media file we just pasted. So when I post this on the blog, the blogging system will know to pick this up and create a link to it. Okay, so now I can create just a title and a short description. So program promo test signal, and I'll just say here is my demo promo for test signal. And the final step I'd like you to make sure you do is that you include this category as digital audio project. So if you're doing a program promo or a PSA, it's a digital audio project. If you're uploading your actual radio program, it's a radio program. And this will just help keep that information organized. And if you'd like, you could also put some tags. I don't know if you've used tags before, but you could, for instance, put test signal in, because that's the name of my show, or some other tag. So the name of your show would be the most obvious one. And that's it. I'm going to save this. Actually, you can save it if you're not totally finished, but when you're finished, you want to actually click Submit for review. And then what will end up happening is that I'll receive this post and I can take a quick look and make sure that the link to the file is working, etc. And then I can post it on the blog. So if you have any questions about that, let me know. Otherwise, I hope that's a fairly simple process. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.